The first step is open your browser, look for a video that you would like to use in your class. Continue by typing YouTube, and there you're going to select the video that you want to download for or that you need for your class. In this case, we're going to type Halloween history. Once you have selected the video you want to use, we are going to go to the next step. You are going to open a new tab, and there you are going to use the following website to download the video. You need to remember that this website only takes short videos. So we're going to use samsar.com. website that you're going to see, and you are going to select download videos, and here is where you're going to paste. Here you need to go to YouTube. You are going to select the link that you have there. You're going to copy it, and then you go back to Zamsar and you're going to paste it here. Then you're going to select the option WMV, and you are going to type here the email where you want it to be sent, and after that you hit convert. You agree, and then you wait for the video to be downloaded. Here is going to show you how much of the video has been downloaded. It is going to be sent to your email, and you will receive an email alerting you that the video is available. In the meantime, you can open a new tab and you go to your email account. In your email account, you're going to find this email from Zamsar telling you that the video is available. So you scroll down and you're going to find a link. You click on that link and you select download now. You save it and you wait for the system to download the video. Once the video is completely downloaded, you need to place it on your desktop so that it would be easier for you to make corrections. You need to place it on the desktop to have it available for the editing part. Now you can see that the video is here on the desktop, and it will be much easier to edit it now, cut what we don't want to have. In order to cut the video, you're going to need the program Handbrake. This program is free and you can download it from the website. To download Handbrake, you need to go to Google. You're going to type Google, and then you are going to look for Handbrake. So you type Handbrake. You're going to get Handbrake. You can recognize it by the apple here, kind of piña colada logo. You hit download, and you're going to find that there are two options. Depending on what program you have, you choose if you want to download it for Windows or you want to download it for a Mac. Once you have the program available in your computer, you're going to click on it and you're going to get this screen. The screen basically has the source where you're going to get the video, then the start button to start the process, and you can organize your videos there according to what you can also select different types, but for what I usually have is the normal. You can also do high profile, but it's best to use normal so that you don't start having issues with how much your video is going to weigh. First step is choose source, and you're going to click video file. Now you're going to look for your video, and we know that it's here. We have it on the desktop. So we click the history of Halloween and we say open. Then you select, for this one you select OK. Now you have your video there. You see that it comes by chapters, and it says that it's 2 minutes and 13 seconds. So we need to say that we don't want to edit by chapters, but we need it by seconds. So in this case, let's say that we don't want all of the video and we have decided to do only a part of the video. So what we do is we play the video and we see how much of it we don't want to use.
Student reporter Brian Tran gives us the history behind Halloween.
Videos come with time, so it's possible for you to see what parts of the video you don't want. Let's say, for example, that here we don't want to have this part of the introduction, and we only want to have
That's right. Every Halloween we get dressed
the
up in
part where the
costumes, all in
lady
the spirit of
starts
fun,
talking,
right?
the student
But
starts
have you ever
talking.
stopped and wondered why? Well,
So
in
we
today's
see
Utah
that is
report, student reporter Brian
second
Tran gives us the history
15.
behind Halloween. That's right. Every Halloween we get dressed up in costumes,
Second
all in the spirit of
12,
fun, right?
13.
But have you ever
It's usually a
stopped and
good
wondered
idea
why?
to
Well, in
cut
today's Utah
from
report, student
2 or
reporter
3
Brian Tran
seconds
gives us
before.
the history behind
So
Halloween.
this video we should cut around second 10, so that you can have a margin of error there. So we go back to our editing place, and we're going to write that we want from the second 8, and we don't want all the way to the end. Let's say that we only want 120, and then we are going to save it. We're gonna save it here. We're gonna say Halloween 1, and then we do save. So make sure that you have it on your desktop so that it's easier for you to check that you have done a good job. And after you have selected that, you're going to press start. Here you're going to see how the video is being edited, or in a way cut, Okay, when it says the encoding is done, so that means the video has been cut. Now we can close and break, and we can see that the video is available now here. Let's see if it is a different
video.
That's
right. Every Halloween we get dressed up in costumes, all in the. That's right. Every Halloween
we
get dressed up in costumes, all in the spirit of fun, right? But have you ever stopped and wondered why? Well, in today's Utah report, student reporter Brian Tran.
Once you have your video ready, now you can use Movie Maker to edit the video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring a new video. We're gonna look for our edited video, our new version of the video, and we're going to start adding stuff. So the first thing that we need to do is, of course, we need a title. So we're gonna say here, we're gonna add the title. I was like here, you can say, okay, I'm going to have some animations. So you want to divide, say we're gonna have like, something that looks kind of scary, maybe something.
That's right. Every Halloween we get dressed up in costumes, all in the spirit of fun, right? But have you ever stopped and wondered why? Well, in today's
here, if you're not happy, you can always mark this.
Spirit of fun, right? But have you ever stopped and wondered why? Well, in today's Utah reports.
Once you have made all the addition parts, then you have to do is publish your video. Or my suggestion, what I usually do is I just publish the movie to my computer. So to publish the movie, you're going to go to, and instead of publishing, it's better to save it. And then you're going to save it. I'm going to say, yes, you're going to save it, say your movie, and it's going to save the movie.
That's
now
right. Every
you can
Halloween
see
we
that
get dressed up in costumes, all in the spirit of fun, right?
Ready.
That's right. Every Halloween we get
Next
dressed
step
up in
will be
costumes, all in
to
the spirit of
upload
fun,
the
right?
video
But
to
have you
YouTube.
ever stopped and wondered why? Well, in
for
today's
that
Utah
one,
report, student reporter Brian Tran gives us the history behind Halloween.
We're going to go over the steps.